Hi Aries, how you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy and safe following the rules and guidelines of the government. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing guys is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. Second most important thing guys is that if you want to help us with the donation, the details are given in the description box below. Third most important thing guys is that if you want to enroll for a 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay guys, let's check it out what's going on with my Aries for the month of November 2020. What are you going through in the month of November 2020? What are you going through in the month of November 2020? Aries, what are you going through in the month of November 2020? What are you going through in the month of 2020? Confused whether to stay, whether to live. A lot of confusion, juggling between two choices, two connections, two decisions, two problems. If you follow your present plan, then what is the likely outcome of the situation? If you follow the present plan, what will be the likely outcome of the situation? If you follow the present plan, what will be the likely outcome of the situation? Someone is not taking action, immature energy. Someone is not taking action towards their ultimate goal. What do you need to know about your career, relationship and health? What you need to know about your career, relationship and health? What you need to know about your career, relationship and health? A lot of clarity you want in the particular situation related to either career, relationship or health. A lot of clarity you're gaining related to something or someone. Okay, so yeah, a lot of clarity you're gaining for sure. Okay, what do you need to do to change or to improve the situation? What do you need to do to change or to improve the situation? What do you need to do to change or to improve the situation? What do you need to do to change or to improve the situation? What do you need to do to change or to improve the situation? What do you need to do to change or to improve the situation? You are concerned about money related stuff, your financial life, your money related stuff. So you need to focus on more your financial life a lot. Okay, tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Your partner's feelings towards you. You think Aries that you are dealing with a spiritual connection. Now this is for the people who are into relationship or who are married but separated or something like that. Okay, so you think that your connection is very spiritual. Okay, Aries, so yeah, I also think that your partner's also realizing a lot of things about you. Okay, like your partner is thinking that you are their spiritual soul. Okay, so yeah, where this relationship might be going, where this relationship might be going. I think a lot of stagnant energy is there, so it's going on nowhere. Okay, it's on halt right now in the month of November. Okay, what should you focus on from now onwards? Okay, what should you focus on from now onwards? 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 You need to focus on yourself. You need to gain a lot of clarity. You need to focus on self-love and self-care. Okay, so yeah, what are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? Someone is not taking action towards you. That is what you think, I guess. What are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? Hopes and fears, Aries, is that you're waiting for some sort of an opportunity related to either relationship or career. You're waiting game is going on for you, for the ultimate opportunity you want in life. Okay, So yeah, what is the likely outcome? What is the likely outcome of this situation? I don't know. I need to shuffle it again. What will be the likely outcome of the situation? What will be the likely outcome of this situation? What will be the likely outcome of the situation? What will be the likely outcome of the situation? What will be the likely outcome of the situation? What will be the likely outcome of this situation? What will be the likely outcome of this situation? What will be the likely outcome of this situation? What will be the likely outcome of this situation? What will be the likely outcome of this situation? Okay, so likely outcome of this situation is you are releasing a lot of confusion, Aries, in the month of November. A lot of conflicts which you were having between head and heart. Okay, you're releasing now, and you might think of traveling somewhere. You might think to relocate. You might think to shift. Okay, you are planning, I think. Okay, so spiritual message for you. You are thinking a lot. I think you are just into your head. You are not taking any action about something or someone. Just into your head. Thinking, contemplating, rejuvenating, resting, whatever you are doing. Just thinking into your head. That's the problem. Just thinking about into your head. Just thinking into your head. Thinking into your head. Just thinking into your head. Okay, some sort of karmic justice is on the horizon for you guys. You're going through some karmic justice. Some of you Aries might be filing for divorce as well. Okay, or planning to. I think karmic cycle is ending somewhere, and also some of you are thinking of getting divorce from your ultimate partner. That's what I feel. A major change is on the horizon for you guys. Okay. Yes. Success is on the horizon. You are taking an action towards success. At the same time, you are juggling between two choices, two connections, two options, two decisions. Okay. Awesome. Happy family. Wow. November might be the month for a happy family, stability. Number 4 for marriage. Who are single, single people might get into a relationship with someone. Okay, so yeah, or thinking of getting into a situation. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so the universal message for you guys. 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 Aries, the universal message for you guys. The universal message for you guys. The universal message for you guys. Let's check it out. Okay, I am a dreamer of my dreams, so you might be receiving a lot of dreams nowadays. Okay, the second message is when I lean on the faith of the universe, peace becomes reality. Wow. The third universal message, my fearless freedom lights up the world. So you are just being fearless. That's awesome. What are the gemstones suggested for you in the month of November? What are the gemstones suggested in the month of November? Okay. So, yes. So your archangel is Archangel Zophiel, okay? Your message, your archangel's message for you is that I am a shining star. I focus on all my good attributes and amplify them. I see my path shining brightly before me. I have the courage to step forward with joy and enthusiasm. I help others as I radiate my magnificence. Nice. Your archangel is suggesting a golden topaz for you as a gemstone. It looks like this. Okay, you can Google it. Your message: do you need to recapture your personal power? Surround yourself with people who recognize your talents, intelligence, creativity, kindness, and thoughtfulness. Their appreciation will amplify your goodness. Share your inner wisdom and beauty. It is time to reclaim and amplify your personal power. Beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. Awesome. Okay, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I hope you like this reading, Aries. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Sorry guys for the delay, as I'm packed up with my schedules, so that's why. Guys, if you want to purchase energized and recharged anklets and bracelets, you can connect with me. Okay guys, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.